Hello everyone, this is my 6.2 HD of data capture and technologies. This is the Arduino code as we see on the screen, and we can see the code is running on the Arduino. We close the code and then open the Python file which converts that CSV into that converts into the CSV file, and this is the CSV file that is generated by collection of data for at least 30 minutes. We can see the data is pretty long and contains around 4300 of total entries. Then this is the main code that can run the bouquet dashboard. To run this, we have to run this using our command prompt. Firstly, we will navigate to where it is being used, and then use the command to run it. After using the command, a dashboard will open in front of us, showing us the graph. We can adjust the number of entries through this. It adjusts automatically, and the use of next button will give the next gap of the entries. This is the line graph that can be switched from the above. This is the line graph we can see. This is the distribution graph showing us a basic bar graph. We can also change the value to anything we want, like I did this to 1000, and we can see it got applied, and after that we can see the graph changed. Then I changed the value to 4000 to show that there is only a graph, because my value was only 4000. Total values were only 4300, so it only generates one graph. We can also see the different values of x, y, z. Then after that, this is my streamlight dashboard graph. To run this, we also need to run it through our command prompt. Firstly, we will navigate and then use the command to run it. Then it opens the dashboard on our browser. As you can see, the dashboard looks pretty cool. This is the line graph. We can also shift here too. This is the distribution graph. We can change the axis as we want. This is the x, that's the y, that's the z. Then we can also change the number of scatterings we want, samples we want. I set it to 450. We can see the graph changes and shows us different values for the different data. We can see the data automatically updates itself as a new sample data is entered. Now I will be showing you a comparison between the two so that my data is correct. See, if we take an example of this, say I will take like here 300 or 200, and we see the data, the first data here, and we will switch to the another one too. Here also we take the same data, that is 300, and go to scatter. We can see the graphs are pretty same, they are absolutely same. So this confirms that the activity has been done. Thank you.